Good morning, students. Let us start with lesson number 1, grammar, the sentence and the phrase. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence always begins with capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. He shouted in pain. I love my parents very much. The soldiers search far and wide. A phrase now here these are the sentences. Why? Because it starts with capital letter, ends in a full stop. So and it makes a complete sense. He shouted in pain. I love my parents very much. The soldiers search far and wide. All these makes complete sense. So it is a sentence. Now, a phrase is a group of words that make some sense but not complete sense. For example, in pain, very much, far and wide. So these are phrases. Why? Because it makes some sense. No doubt it makes some sense but not complete sense. In pain, who was in pain? What in pain? Very much. So nothing here, it does not make a complete sense. Far and wide. Where? Far and wide. What? So no, we don't have any complete sense here. So these are called phrases. Given below are some groups of words. Write against each group whether it is a sentence or a phrase. Mona sat quietly in her room. This is a sentence. First one is done for you. In the bus. Does this make a complete sense? No. In the bus. So it is a phrase. Very quickly. This is also a phrase as it does not make a complete sense. The mouse disappeared very quickly. This is a sentence because it starts with capital letter, ends with a full stop. An elephant is larger than a bull. This is also a sentence because it starts with capital letter, ends with a full stop and it makes a complete sense. Larger than a bull. This is a phrase. Unity is strength. It is a sentence because it makes a complete sense, starts with capital letter, ends with full stop. Here and there. It does not make any complete sense, so it is a phrase. Exercise 2. Underline the phrases in the sentences given below. Now these are the sentences. He was a man of great strength. This is a complete sentence which makes a complete sense. Your capital letter is there at the starting and full stop is there at the end. But you have to underline the phrases in the sentences. So the phrase is of great strength. The girl has come from the cottage. From the cottage is a phrase. Harish ran with great speed. With great speed. The children walked towards the gate. Towards the gate is a phrase. Our teacher arrived at that moment. At that moment is a phrase. Would you like a person with a bad temper? So, with a bad temper is a phrase. Complete exercise 3. Complete the sentence using the phrases given in the boxes. Now in the boxes phrases are there and you have to choose the correct one and write before this. Okay, the first one is the tiger waited. See which is the correct one and you have to write. The tiger waited for the fox to come near. You can see it in the picture also. The child crawled out through the door. You can see it in the picture. The train arrived at 8 o'clock. The poor man ate the food very greedily. The king's crown was studded with jewels. The bird was shot by the cruel hunter. The pages were scattered here and there. We shall go for picnic next week. Okay, so you can, with the help of the picture and with the help of these phrases given here, you have to complete the sentences. Okay.